Ways buying YouTube comments can help your channel become more popular. In the present day, YouTube is one of the most widely used video streaming services in the world. It has experienced exponential growth over the years and has become a favorite destination for posting and viewing video content. Many users who were able to amass a good number of followers have also derived monetization benefits out of it. So it is no doubt that YouTube comes with a lot of benefits. The following guide will help you in building a successful YouTube channel and deriving more benefits from it. To build a successful channel, the first step you have to take is building a strong audience base. The audience, which are known as subscribers on YouTube, will bring more visibility to your channel by liking the videos, commenting on them, and referring them to their friends. It is important to engage with your subscriber base and listen to them if you want your channel to become popular. Comments are extremely crucial for the success of your channel. You can buy YouTube comments from YT Pals and use the following strategies in conjunction to engage your subscribers in the comment section. What is the importance of an effective comment strategy? YouTube is not just for watching videos, as it allows people to interact with each other in the comments section as well. Comments are a great way for content creators to engage with their audience and vice versa. It allows the content creators to listen to what their subscribers have to say about the content. The comments section on YouTube plays a big part in building a relationship with the audience. Videos with more comments tend to get more views. It has been found that most of the videos which have around 5,000 comments or more are able to get around 1 million views. Views and comments tend to go hand in hand, as an increase in one leads to an increase in the other. When you start a YouTube channel, the primary goal is to increase your visibility across the platform. Comments are the driving force for increasing visibility. The comments can influence the viewers to watch the entire video, rewatch the video, and share it with their family and friends. An effective comment strategy is not just important for gaining views but also for directing the viewers to more of your content. A good comment strategy also allows you to amplify the message you want to send through your channel. Strategies for driving more comments in your YouTube videos. Comments can prove to be very useful if you want to get direct feedback from your viewers and create a conversation around your videos. Now that you understand the importance of an effective comment strategy, let us look at some of the methods that can be used to drive more comments in your videos. You can use any number of these methods to develop your own comment strategy. You can also buy YouTube comments to aid in this process. 1. Ask questions at the end of the videos. You should always try to ask some questions from your viewers at the end of the videos. These questions can be open-ended ones, however. Specific questions that prompt the viewers to comment would be more beneficial for you in this case. If yours is a tutorial video, you can ask the viewers whether they found the tips useful or not. You can also drive engagement by asking the viewers about the type of content they want to see. You will get some guaranteed responses in the comment section. Not only will you get some great ideas for future videos, but you will also be able to connect to your subscribers on a more personal level. 2. Make the first comment in the comment section. Sometimes, the best way to encourage your followers to post more comments is by making the first comment yourself. You can take the lead and post a comment that engages the subscribers and starts a conversation about the video. Over time, your subscribers will get more comfortable with commenting on your videos. Another way to use the same strategy is by asking someone you know personally to leave a comment. This comment strategy works just as well. The comments posted by friends and family will also encourage the subscribers to post more comments. In this way, you will be able to build a close-knit community that interacts with each other daily. 3. Observe the best performing content to understand engagement. You can use YouTube Analytics to determine which videos saw the most engagement. Thereafter, you can ascertain the factors that lead to greater engagement, whether it was the length of the video or certain playlists. It has been found that videos that are shorter than 2 minutes tend to get greater engagement rates generally as compared to 5-minute videos. Once you have figured out the factors that make your videos perform better, you can replicate them in your new videos. This will keep the audience engaged and the comments would keep coming. 4. Hold contests on YouTube. Just like the Instagram and Facebook contests, you can hold contests on YouTube as well to drive engagement for your channel. YouTube contests are a great way to get comments, subscribers, and likes on your video, all at the same time. However, you would require some extra funds and you would also have to put in a significant amount of effort to promote the contest. YouTube contests are a great way to draw some attention to your channel, which would result in more comments on your videos in the long run. You can also encourage your viewers to post comments as part of the contest. 5. Heart the subscribers' comments. You can connect with your subscriber on a more personal level by liking the comments they post under your videos. When you like a comment, the viewers will be able to see a red heart along with a small icon of your channel beside it. The person who posted the comment would also get a notification that their comment was liked. Once the viewers see you interacting with others in the comments, they will be encouraged to post more comments. In this way, you will be able to build fan loyalty and also show that you appreciate your viewers. 6. Pin some comments. Pinning is a great way you can highlight certain comments. It ensures that the pinned comment is the first comment your viewers see beneath your video as they scroll down the comment section. You can either pin your own comment to start a conversation with the viewers or pin a subscriber's comment. The pinning feature is great for asking specific questions from the audience, giving a clarification about the video, teasing the audience with an Easter egg or some specific development, thanking the viewers for watching the videos. Highlight relevant comments from the subscribers. 7. Consistency. If you observe any of the top-performing channels on YouTube, you will find one common thing among them: consistency. In order to drive engagement for your channel, you have to update consistently and publish videos frequently. It is important to adhere to a strict schedule so that the viewers know when you will upload your next video. However, this does mean you have to churn out content for the sake of it. Even if your schedule is posting one video every week, it is important to make the content engaging for the audience. If the viewers find your videos interesting and unique, then we'll continue to post comments. 8. Include a CTA. It is important to include a call to action in every video. This can be included in any part of the video, whether the beginning, middle, or the end. The main purpose of the CTA is to ask people to subscribe to your channel. You can use the annotations feature and place a small box at the top left corner of the screen, asking your viewers to subscribe to your channel. When the viewers see the CTA from time to time, they will be reminded to subscribe to your channel. As you earn subscribers, the comments and likes will increase automatically for your videos. 9. Use the YouTube widget on your blog and website. Another great way to drive engagement in your YouTube channel is by placing a YouTube widget in your blog or website. The YouTube widget would be a great way to bring in new subscribers as your blog followers, and website visitors will get to know about your YouTube channel. If they follow your content on other mediums, they are more likely to subscribe to your YouTube channel as well. This will, in turn, allow them to post comments on your YouTube channel, as they will get an opportunity to interact with you on a personal level. 10. Build a network. If a subscriber likes your channel, there is a chance that they might like other related channels as well. YouTube allows creators to add other YouTubers' channels to the recommendation page. In the same way, you can ask other related channels to feature your channel on the recommendations page, so that their viewers would be motivated to subscribe to your channel. In this way, you will be able to draw in more views, subscribers, and comments for your channel. 11. Interact with the subscribers. This seems like an obvious strategy, that replying to the comments of your subscribers will draw more comments. When you reply to the viewers' comments, it also goes to show that you are listening to them and that you are interested in their feedback. You should ideally take out a few minutes every day to interact with the viewers, besides commenting on your channel. It would be a great idea to interact with the viewers on other related channels' comment sections as well. If these viewers find your comments interesting, they will try to go through your profile as well. In this way, you can gain new subscribers. 12. Use keywords effectively. Using keywords in a video effectively is very important if you want to drive the right engagement in your YouTube channel. The keywords are used when a person is searching for something. If you use the right keywords, the likelihood of your videos reaching the right viewer increases. It has been found that more than 60% of the new subscribers in a channel usually come from the YouTube search option. If you don't use the right keywords or your keywords are spread out thin, then your videos might not show up in the search results. It is important to be as descriptive as possible when creating keywords tags. You can also use online tools to find suggestions for keywords. 13. Channel promotion. It is important to promote your channel not only on YouTube, but outside it as well. This will open your YouTube channel to viewers from different mediums. As they start following your video content, they will start commenting, sharing, and liking your videos too. Following are some of the ways you can market your YouTube channel. Link your YouTube channel on your social media pages. Submit the YouTube channel to social bookmarking websites. Add the channel to video search engines. Attach the link to your YouTube channel on the mailing lists. Use your YouTube URL when posting comments in blogs and such. 14. Use interesting thumbnails for your video content. If you want to attract new subscribers, it is important that your thumbnails stand out. People are more likely to click on your video if they find the thumbnail intriguing. However, this does not mean that you start using clickbait images as your thumbnail. It is unlikely that viewers would follow your channel if you use the clickbait strategy. The main aim of incorporating an interesting thumbnail is to increase the views you receive. If you are able to provide the viewers with good content, the views will bring in comments and likes as well. 15. Use the new feature of filtering your comments. A new feature in the YouTube Studio desktop allows you to filter the comments on your channel. You can use this to search for comments and refine the search based on status of the subscriber, status of the member of the channel, the commenter's subscriber number. You can also use the filter to look at comments which have specific questions so that you are able to respond to them more easily. Besides this, you can use this feature to review the comments you have or haven't responded to. Lastly, you can buy YouTube comments from YT Pals. Buying YouTube comments can be a great option for those who have just started their YouTube journey, as some viewers could be reluctant initially to post comments on videos that have no comments. This is a good option for established accounts as well, as you employ the aforementioned strategies, and buy YouTube comments to aid you in the process. Why should you buy YouTube comments? Now that you are familiar with the strategies of increasing the number of comments in your channel, it is time to look into the importance of buying YouTube comments. There is intense competition in the social media world today, and it has become difficult to acquire popularity through social media channels like YouTube. This is because many well-established celebrities are also turning to platforms like YouTube to create content. This is why it is important to improvise on the strategies and look for new ways to drive engagement from the followers. If you buy YouTube comments from service providers like YT Pals, you will be able to boost the success of your channel. Let us take a look at some of the benefits of buying YouTube comments. 1. Increase the recognition of your videos. You can derive the various benefits of YouTube only after they get some recognition from the viewers. When you buy YouTube comments, the likelihood of your video being recognized increases. If you want to be successful on YouTube, your videos need to get enough subscribers, likes, and comments. Buying the comments makes the job easier, as more comments also drive more views and likes. Even though your videos might not get the same amount of comments that the YouTube celebrities get, buying YouTube comments certainly increases the recognition of your channel in the eyes of the viewers. 2. Increase the ranking of your YouTube channel. In YouTube, the ranking of the channels is usually determined by the number of subscribers the channel has. The subscriber can vary depending upon the number of comments and likes on each video. This is why an increase in the number of likes and comments leads to a proportional increase in the ranking of the channel on YouTube. This indicates the fact that comments are extremely important for the success of a YouTube channel. When you buy YouTube comments, you can increase the rank of your channel by increasing the chances of getting more subscribers. 3. Make your videos viral. Every YouTuber wants their content to go viral, however, there is no set formula for achieving that. To create viral content, a creator would have to invest a lot of time and promote it on different mediums to create a buzz around the video. Although there is no surefire way to get viral, buying YouTube comments can certainly aid in the process. Once you buy YouTube comments, your video would be highlighted to more people. As more and more people click on your videos, more comments would keep pouring in. The comments section is the first thing the viewers look at, even before subscribing to the channel. So having an impressive comment section by buying comments would help you in attracting more viewers. 4. Get more clicks and likes. If you want your channel to become popular on YouTube, it is important that it get more clicks, comments, and likes. The process of getting people to view your videos can be long and tedious. However, there are ways you can catalyze the process. One of the best ways to kickstart your popularity is by buying YouTube comments. Once you buy comments on YouTube, the views and likes will pour in automatically as more people start clicking on your video. This is because a good number of comments in your videos increases the likelihood of them appearing on the search results. 5. Attract new subscribers. The most important part of YouTube is the viewers and the subscribers. All your strategies are ultimately aimed at attracting more viewers to your channel. It is a well-known fact the greater number of viewers and subscribers you have in your channel, the more viewers you will be able to attract. The number of comments on your videos also determines the number of views you will end up having. Buying comments from YT Pals can aid in this process, and it can make your job easier. You will be able to attract new subscribers as the viewers visiting your channel. Take note of the number of comments you already have on your channel. 6. Helps in creating a social proof. Social proof is extremely important in the world of social media. It is a well-known fact that people usually pay heed to channels that have some social standing. When a good number of viewers trust the concept or the idea your YouTube channel propagates, the new viewers will pour in automatically. Because of the social proof, these new viewers would be more inclined to extend their support to the channel. You can buy YouTube comments to create social proof on the site. Once the viewers see the comments on your videos, they would be interested in looking at more of your content. 7. Drown out the negative comments. Oftentimes, people can end up posting a lot of negative and hateful comments in YouTube videos that have no relation to the content. Many people use YouTube to promote hostility and prejudice. This is where buying YouTube comments would come in handy. You can report these comments, however. You can also employ another tactic of drowning out the noise. When you buy YouTube comments, you can make sure that positive comments overshadow these negative comments, which might end up hurting your videos in the long run. This is a great strategy for keeping internet trolls at bay, and they will not be able to derive satisfaction out of the hateful comments. 8. Generate clout on the platform. When you buy YouTube comments, your video will start getting recognition on the platform. As more people start watching your videos, it will allow you to amplify your position on the space. Greater number of views means more likes, more comments, and more subscribers. And with more subscribers and comments on your videos, additional viewers will also be encouraged to subscribe to your content and post comments. This cycle will continue and you will be able to reach heights in no time. As a result, you will be able to exercise some clout on the platform. You will not only be able to derive monetization benefits from YouTube, but the clout will help you in building new partnerships and exploring additional avenues. 9. Creating a proportional growth of comments and views. If you have bought YouTube views from YT Pals in the past, it would make sense to buy YouTube comments as well. When people view your channel, some of them are likely to leave some comments. It does not reflect well on your channel if the ratio between the views and the comments is off by a huge margin. You can remedy this situation by buying YouTube comments that match the number of views you have in your video. As your views and comments look more authentic, people would be encouraged to follow your channel and leave comments and likes on the videos. 10. Get more traffic on your personal website. You can use the success of your YouTube channel to drive traffic to your personal website. When you buy YouTube comments from a reliable source like YT Pals, it is a given that you will be able to get more likes, views, and subscribers. As your subscriber base grows, you can use your influence on the site to promote traffic to your website. Your YouTube channel will allow you to target people who are interested in the type of content you produce. Conclusion. From the strategies for driving comments in your YouTube videos, it is amply evident how important comments are in the YouTube space. If you are new to the platform and are struggling to carve a niche for yourself, then you can benefit from the Buy YouTube Comments service of YT Pals. When you buy YouTube comments from a reliable source like YT Pals, you will be able to derive all the benefits. YT Pals reviews your video and writes high-quality, authentic comments. You also have the option of submitting your own comments. The service will start within 24 to 72 hours of placing the order, and the comments will be spread out over several days. YT Pals provides a range of premium services to make your YouTube channel more successful. To know more, contact YT Pals today.